Good morning to all. My name is Dansika. I'm going to talk about the national emblem of India. The Ashoka Pillai erected by Emperor R. Ashoka, seated back to back, which imply power, courage, confidence, and pride. Other animals demonstrated on the pillar are a horse, a bull, an elephant, and a lion. The elephant denotes Buddha's outset. The bull symbolizes the zodiac sign of Buddha Taurus. The horse signifies Buddha's horse. The lion enlightenment. Dinanath Bhargava sketched and illuminated the Indian national emblem of India. The actual Sarnath capital features four aesthetic lions standing back to back, mounted on a circular base. At the bottom is a horse and a bull, and at its center is a Dharma Chakra. The Ashoka Chakra 24 spokes, which inspire every to work tirelessly for 24 hours. The national emblem of the official seal of the President of India and an inevitable part of the letterhead of the Government of India. Thank you to all.